Imagine protecting your family's legacy, lowering your estate taxes, and protecting your assets from lawsuits, all with one strategic move. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. I'm Jennifer Nichols, estate planning attorney and founder of J. Nichols Law. I help families make smart, secure decisions about their future. And today, we're talking about family limited partnerships, or FLPs. If you're looking for ways to protect your assets, transition your investments smoothly to the next generation, or to reduce estate taxes, this is one tool you'll want to know more about. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful legal tips. Let's start with the basics. What is a family limited partnership? A FLP is a limited partnership comprised of a general partner and one or more limited partners. The general partner is typically a limited liability company owned by the husband and wife, or single person if the person is not married. It typically owns 1% of the FLP. The husband and wife, or single person, initially own the other 99% as limited partners. The initial limited partners may gift a portion of their limited partnership interest to their kids over time. The FLP owns your investments, such as stocks and brokerage accounts, your property holdings other than your homestead, and it can own your business holdings as long as they are not taxed as S-corps. It does not own your house, your cars, boats, or other toys. Now, let's talk about what benefits the FLP offers, starting with asset protection. The assets owned by the FLP are protected from judgments from your creditors. Say a family member who owns a portion of the FLP gets sued, maybe for a car accident or a personal debt. They are now shielded if their assets were in the FLP before the incident. The creditor cannot come in and take them. Instead, the most they can do is get what's called a charging order. That gives them rights to any distributions that would have gone to that partner, but they cannot force a payout. And if the FLP decides not to distribute anything, the creditor walks away with nothing. This discourages lawsuits and helps keep your family's hard-earned assets protected. FLPs can also be used to help reduce estate and gift taxes. Parents can gift limited partnership interest to their children every year, taking advantage of the annual gift tax exclusion. As those interests grow, they remain outside of the parent's taxable estate. Even better, FLP interests are often given a discounted value because they're harder to sell and offer less control. This valuation discount means you can transfer more wealth with less tax liability and maintain operational control as the general partner. In plain terms, you can keep managing your assets, but more of their value is tax efficiently transferred to your kids. Now, before you form a FLP, let's be realistic. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. FLPs are complex. You'll need a custom drafted partnership agreement, a clear long-term plan, and the discipline to follow tax and legal formalities. If you don't set it up correctly, or you treat it like a personal bank account, it can lose all of the protections we just discussed. It's also important to ask, do you have business or investment assets you want to pass on to family? Are you concerned about potential lawsuits or protecting your wealth? Do you want to reduce your estate tax exposure while maintaining control of your assets? If the answer is yes to any of those, a FLP could be a brilliant move. But the key is working with a lawyer who understands both estate planning and business structure. A family limited partnership can help protect your assets, prepare your business for the future, and lower your tax burden. But only if it's set up and managed correctly. If you want to know whether it's the right fit for your family, let's talk. Contact me at J. Nichols Law to set up a consultation. If you like something you heard today, please hit that like and subscribe button for more real-life practical guidance made simple.